guys, I'm just back from Exeter, another city, another conference, and one of the highlights of the week was a boat trip. Loads of drunken people on a boat after dark. Sounds like a recipe for disaster, but luckily we had a few seafarers amongst us. And as such, I will give you a disclaimer. If you do not like strong language, you're probably best to turn the volume down on this one, because it is going to feature lots and lots of fucks. We got coached down to Exmouth, where we picked up our boat. The pride of Exmouth, she is an absolute beauty.
Ah, the blue. Doggy! Doggy! You gotta have a sea dog.
I thought you were saying dogging and it was an invitation.
Oh, right, okay. Well, maybe later, you never know. Might end up in a curve from there. Oh, yes.
And reversible light brass situated on the top deck of the vessel. Now, my name's Jake, I'm your skipper on board this evening. Harry and Rory are your crew members. There's a fully licensed bar downstairs on the lower deck of the boat. Toilets are on both decks of the boat this evening. Inns catering's on board as well. I'm sure we'll let you know a little bit later.
The boat trip took us up the Exe Estuary, up the River Exe, until we got to a low bridge, and then back again.
Sorry? Oh, thank you.
You remember? Excuse me? At this point he goes full throttle and donuts.
I didn't realise I was seasick. Wow.
Well, your boat only goes, what, 5 miles an hour? Officially?
4.
Oh, 4, yeah.
4, yeah. What do you shout when I'm filming?
Fuck.
Say that again?
Fuck.
So that's the difference between northerners and southerners. You say fuck, and we say fuck.
You say
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck's sake. Fuck. How do you say fuck?
I'm going back that way. Back that way. I think he's washing out. What's the dough? Oh, someone's puked.
Nice.
That's a big puke, isn't it?
Goes all the way back there.
I have to say fuck.
You have to say fuck now.
Fuck now. No, fuck.
Oh god, I'm blocking the camera. I'm filming.
Oh, lovely. Ah.
Go on, give us some rendition, Rio.
What, the football song?
Yeah, why not? The I run it.
His name is Rio and he plays for West Ham.
That might be true. If the song says it's true, then it's true.
Got fucking shit fever already.
Well, what time is
See,
it?
over there, baby beasties. Baby beasties.
What time is it? It's 2024. We're back at 22:45, and it's already raining. We've already eaten all the food.
2 hours and 20 minutes of fun ahead of us.
Yes.
I hope the jazz band downstairs does play cover versions of classic rock songs.
We'll have to request it.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, how long can I go without needing a dunk? Because you know that those toilets are not going to be the nicest.
It's going to be one of those where you're just going to have to bake it till you get back to your hotel.
Fully ripe.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
That's what happened like today when we came out of the conference. Everyone was stopping me and talking to me, and I was like, yeah. That's nice.
Start
You
the
come in for a
conference.
drink? No, I'm gonna poo myself actually.
Sorry, must go. Turtles.
Touch a cloth here.
Yes, yeah. You have to excuse me, sir.
Oh,
There's a
here's your
mole at
man.
the counter.
Here's your
Here
man
he
with the
is.
drinks.
It's Ryan and Ryan. Not that Ryan.
Go on.
The texture.
The clouds are grey, but the texture.
Textures just really bring out the landscape. You're watching BBC 4 Spot the Wank. Yeah.
Here he is! Hi! At least if I took the GoPro and went.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, it's great.
Oh, that's nice though.
Material.
UFO.
I saw an opportunity and grabbed it.
Oasis video coming up.
Oh, yeah. What's the story? Fuck the Tory.
Yeah.
write it in.
I was going to say, she's looking for silly boat names.
How is she?
Yeah. So I say,
What would you call your
what's
boat
this
if you
at?
had a boat?
So there, the one you're on here. This one.
Boaty
That's my
McBoat.
camera. This is the latest edition of the London Boat Girl.
Very, very cool.
Yes.
Yeah, YouTube sensation.
This is Mike with his wrap-round glasses and his pussy wagon.
Oh dear.
Topsham Turf Ferry, that's a big shit name, isn't it?
It's a bit venture.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained.
That's a nice boat.
Sounds slightly sexual.
Why'd you say that? Ptarmigan.
Yeah, I'd say Ptarmigan,
Okay.
yeah.
Ptarmigan, right.
Be silent P or
We'll miss that one out. We've all had a few beers and none of us can really.
Morning.
We're back.
Do you actually sail around in your boat?
Yeah.
I hope that's not some Doctor Who shit and that's me about 20 years in the future.
You haven't aged a day, Matthew.
Yeah.
On the boat. I presume that's to scare away
I
the
would think so,
seagulls.
yeah. My jury's.
It's not very good, is it?
He shits himself a lot, doesn't he?
Failed a bit.
Is that someone's living room?
It must be.
We could
That
see
is
you shagging. We could see you shagging.
That is a nice house, that is. That is all one house.
Oh my gosh. Is that attached to that house or is that...
No, I think that's two separate ones.
But still.
That's energetic. Oh no.
What?
Sailing.
Oh, what?
What?
Poodle clip.
I'm sorry, you have to earn this amount of money to
That
say
thing over there, that old place.
Oh,
That's
that's
a dead
more
one.
like it. And it's got the swans around it.
That's a dead one.
Yeah, go and boat, you're drunk. because he's got the list, hasn't he? They said, I've not got your delegate, so I'll send you the email, I've got it here.
What's the point of me then? You're not a delegate, I'm going.
I'm quite lucky. I can book my annual leave when I want to. And September's not really a
nobody reenacted the scene from Titanic.
Blinded. Sing a song.
Near, far, wherever.
Come on, Steve, for fuck's sake. The ship is leaving.
God loves a trial.
Oh, just let you go, oh,
bless, this is his first time.
Here is the lesser spotted bus wanker.
Welcome to the Airy Biters late night show. Rather than cook, we're going for a fucking takeaway. See you later.